Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. The captain and the crew would like to welcome you on board this Q400-8 aircraft. Before we proceed with the safety demonstration, please now ensure all portable electronic devices are in the flight safe mode. They must not be charged at any time, and the cabin crew must be informed immediately if an electronic device becomes damaged, hot, produces smoke, is lost, or falls into the seat structure. Please now stow any larger portable electronic devices, such as laptop computers, in the cabin baggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead lockers in preparation for a takeoff. Passengers wearing headphones should consider removing them for the safety demonstration, as this contains important information for everybody on board. Your cabin crew today are Sophie and myself, Gemma. We are on board for your comfort, but more importantly, your safety. May we now have your attention as we demonstrate our safety procedures and equipment for this aircraft type.
Your safety card is in your seat area. It describes the emergency equipment and procedures on board. Please study it carefully. The emergency exits are 2 doors at the front of the cabin and 2 doors at the rear. Please take a moment to locate the nearest exit, which may be behind you. If you are instructed to leave the aircraft urgently, the emergency floor guidance system will guide you to the nearest exit. You must leave all your belongings behind. The seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and unfastened like this. Your life jacket is under your seat. If required, remove the jacket from its container and pass it over your head. Cross the tapes at the back and tie underneath the jacket in a double knot. Do not inflate until you are outside the aircraft. The jacket is inflated by pulling the red toggle downwards. Should it need more air, blow into this tube. It has a light and a whistle. We also carry children's flotation equipment. In preparation for takeoff, please ensure that your seat belts are fastened, tray tables and seat backs are upright with the armrest down, and hand luggage is placed under the seat in front of you. May we remind you that we operate a non-smoking policy. May we wish you a pleasant flight.
gentlemen, please be careful while disembarking. View the aircraft steps, they may be steeper and narrower than used to. The handrail should be used, hand baggage held securely. Any passengers and small children should hold their hands. You may shortly disembark through the forward left door. Please ensure to take all your personal belongings with you. Thank you.